Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today I'm here with a brand new signal and today's signal is going to be on XAGUSD, or aka silver per US dollar. So without any more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now what I understand from this is that the bullish momentum currently in this commodity is stronger than the bearish momentum, which means the buyers are more likely much more than the sellers. And if we take a look at this grading for the forecast of this commodity, it has taken less negative points. And if we take a look at news, especially the high impact ones, they are actually going to affect the price in a bullish and bearish way, which is going to make a range market for it. But the overall look at this commodity shows me that it's going to be supported to go to the upside. So hopefully it is going the way of our trade, but as you all know me, news are not enough. So let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now we're on the chart. As you can see, we are on XAGUSD, aka silver per US dollar, on 4 hour. And as always, I've pre-drawn some zones for you. The green zone this time is both our trading zone and a support zone to our trade, which is going to be a buying trade. And the red zone is our resistance, because these are two equal highs and have a lot of momentum above them. And we don't know if the market breaks above them, will it continue going to the upside, or it will push back down and even not reach it, just touch it and then continue to move to the downside, which is more likely to happen. So now that we have our zones, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have our signal of the day, I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.